Well, good morning, everybody. It's Friday here at the house. Got things caught up at work, so it gives me a few days to work on stuff here. I was going to get started again on the Lark, but something else came up, and it's this truck behind me. It's a 3500 GMC diesel, and you've seen a little bit of it in a previous video, and we need to get working on this. We got it running yesterday, got it over here to our side over here at the shop. There's things we got to do to it. First thing is to give this damn thing a bath. It's been sitting for almost 3 years. We had put a battery in it yesterday. I had another battery here. Went to turn the key, starter didn't work. So went underneath there, and the solenoid's out on it, so I had to jump the starter off with a screwdriver. Got it fired up, got it running. She sounds pretty good, but I've got to replace the starter on this thing. I've got one on hold. I got to go pick it up this morning. Ethan's going to drop the old one out, put the new one in. We're going to pressure wash this thing, get 2.5, 3 years worth of shit off of it. And while he's doing the starter, I'm going to take a look at the boom lift back here and find out what's going on with it. See if I can get it working again. And because we might have a potential buyer for this truck. And so we'll see how it goes. Even though she looks like shit right now, she does run. It is a 1-ton. But it's just been sitting for a long time. Brad got this on a package deal about 2.5, 3 years ago. Wasn't sure about what he wanted to do with it. If he wanted to keep it, he wanted to sell it. So we're gonna get this thing running, get it cleaned up, get it in sellable condition, and kind of take it from there. God, this thing's dirty. But I'm hoping I can get this boom working. Brad kind of told me there might have been some wires missing or whatever else, but the hydraulic lines look good. It's got a little generator on the back. I'm gonna try to get it running as well. So, wanted to do things on this truck, and let's see if we can get her going. just to give you an idea what this truck's gonna look like once it's cleaned up. And let me tell you, it's gonna take some time between washing, scrubbing, and everything else to get all this stuff off. But you can definitely tell a night and day difference so far. So this is the first scrub and wash down on this side. I'm sure it's gonna need a couple more. But just the difference, and you can see how much crap is on this windshield. Between there, and just between the areas on the hood. So it's kind of like clean side, dirty side. I mean, this is night and day difference. There's just a lot of stuff out here. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to washing, but first I need to go pick up the starter for this thing and get to work on it. Yeah, she's getting a little bit cleaner now. Ethan decided to join the party. Didn't you say something about those marker lights? You thought they were smoked?
Yeah, they look like they were tinted, but they're not.
But man, 3 years of shit. It's actually cleaning up pretty good for as long as it's been sitting. And the ready backs in the back is actually almost like a graphite in color. Certainly looked like it used to be black. But we're gonna keep stroking on her and then we'll get the starter in. All right, Ethan got the new starter in. We got all about filming all this. So she's in now. There's the old one that came out. It's been in there for a while. But I did find out something about this vehicle. When we were working on it, there was a Jasper sticker on it. So I called him up, gave him the number. The long block was putting this thing in 2012. The last time this thing was tagged was 2017. So got a newer motor in it. So right now Ethan's gonna sit her and see if she's gonna start up. Got to get out glow plugs. And now she starts on her own without jumping the solenoid or the starter off. And I guess when they were trying to reprime the system, they about burnt that starter up. But now she's in, starting good. As you can see, it's in a lot better shape. Wash-wise, we washed it twice already. So it actually basically has a gray bed. It was black. So we got that part of it done. Ethan cleaned the boom as well. So next step is get the boom working. I guess that's going to be some fun for tomorrow. Oh, what do you think?
For the first diesel we've had, not too bad.
It's actually cleaned up pretty good. So now, guys, we're going to get back on and get this thing out of the garage. And we'll see you down the road.